This flight was from June 2020, after some of the provincial restrictions were lifted, allowing me to use club airplanes again. This was also an opportunity to check an item off my bucket list, and thanks to the reduced traffic for both international and regional at Edmonton International Airport, I was able to have the experience of a lifetime and conduct a low and over runway 20 to see some of the parked planes, and really just to have an awesome aviation experience. I hope you enjoy the video.
Villeneuve information echo at 1605 Zulu, wind 290 at 9er, gusting 16, visibility 9 miles, sky clear, temperature 16, dew point 5, altimeter 2994, approach ILS 26, arriving and departing runway 26, bird activity in the vicinity of the airport, inform ATC that you have information echo.
Villeneuve ground, good morning, Cessna 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee, good morning.
Good morning, we have information echo at Namao and we'd like to depart VFR. We have on our flight plan to the International and we'd like to request a low and over there.
Victor Alpha Yankee, Roger 26, taxi Bravo, squawk code 4555, contact tower holding short.
4555 for Victor Alpha Yankee. Hello, Tower 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee, holding short 26 ready.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee Tower, remain holding short, traffic on final.
Remain holding short to 26, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee Tower, line up, wait.
Line up, wait, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee, left turn, wind 30011, gusting 16, clear for takeoff, runway 26.
Left turn out, clear for takeoff 26, Victor Alpha Yankee.
Echo Juliet Yankee, turn base.
Turning base, Echo Juliet Yankee.
Villeneuve Tower, Lima, Juliet Lima, holding short, 26 ready for departure.
Golf Lima, Juliet Lima Tower, line up, wait.
Line up and wait, Lima, Juliet Lima.
Victor Alpha Yankee, contact terminal 127.4 and ask them for your altitude to Edmonton.
Roger, terminal 127.4, good day. Edmonton Terminal, Cessna 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee.
172 Golf Victor Alpha Yankee, Edmonton Terminal, hello, you're identified, go ahead please.
And sir, we'd like to maintain 4,500 in the class Charlie, and if possible, get a low and over at the Edmonton International Airport. Doesn't matter the runway.
Victor Alpha Yankee, sounds good, I'll work on that. Just proceed to at the Edmonton Airport for now at 4,500 feet, and then after that, are you going back to Villeneuve?
That's correct, after the low and over, back to Villeneuve.
Victor Alpha Yankee, sounds good.
Edmonton International, information Kilo, weather at 1600 Zulu, wind 280 at 11, visibility 20, few clouds at 13,000, temperature 16, dew point, altimeter 9er 6, IFR, approach, RNAV, Yankee or Zulu, runway 30 and 20, pilots shall inform arrival on initial contact of requested approach. Landings and departures runway 20 or 30. Simultaneous Arrivals
Echo Foxtrot Kilo,
may
climb
be
to
in effect.
5,500 VFR.
Migratory birds in
5,500,
area.
Foxtrot Kilo.
Inform ATC that you have information.
Victor Alpha Yankee, contact Edmonton Tower to request 1183.
1183 for tower now, Victor Alpha Yankee, thanks. Edmonton Tower, good morning, Cessna 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee with Kilo.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee, Edmonton Tower, hello.
Hello, we're currently maintaining 4,500 and are about 2 from entering the zone, and we'd like to request a low-end approach, any runway that you want.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee Tower, roger, runway 20, wind 280 at 10, altimeter 29906, cleared right base.
29906, runway 20, cleared right base, Victor Alpha Yankee. Alright.
Victor Alpha Yankee Tower, wind 2909, clear low approach runway 20, in the mist, will be right turn out direct Villeneuve, not above 4,000 feet.
Alright, cleared low and over runway 20, and in the mist it'll be right head turn out not above 4,000, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee.
Edmonton Ground, good morning. This is Telecom 61 with you on the main apron at Oscar. Requesting permission to glide path 12 along Alpha and Alpha 4 to the runway 302, the glide path.
Telecom 61, Edmonton Ground, roger, proceed across Alpha 4 onto runway 30 to the 12 glide path.
Roger, Alpha 4, runway 30 to the glide path, Telecom 61.
Tower, channel 400. We are turning on final for runway 20.
Check 400, Edmonton Tower, runway 20, wind 280 at 10, altimeter 29906. Number 2 behind 172, doing a low approach, just over the threshold now.
Okay, looking for traffic, channel 400.
And Tower Victor Alpha Yankee, just want to confirm I'm okay to cross the threshold approach path of 12.
Approved.
Thank you. Look at all the parked planes. Sad.
Dynamic and Ground, Telecom 61 is off 30, the glide path.
Telecom 61, ground roger. Chinook 400, the aircraft is clear, wind 270 at 10, clear to land runway 20.
Clear to land runway 20, channel 400.
Edmonton Tower, hello, it's Encore 3351, check in, we're on final for 30.
Encore 3351, Edmonton Tower, hello, runway 30, wind 270 at 10, altimeter 29906, clear to land.
Good land, Encore 3351.
Rebel 40, Edmonton clearance.
Rebel 40, go ahead.
Rebel 40, ground, I have it now. Squawk code is 2110, and I check 6.5 VFR to Rocky first. Call ground ready for taxi.
Squawk 2110, and we're ready for taxi.
Rebel 40, ground roger, runway 20, wind 270 at 10, altimeter 29906. Taxi by Bravo, contact me on tower 118.3, holding short.
Yes, Bravo for 20, contact you, holding short 29906, Rebel 40.
Victor Alpha Yankee, not above 4,000 feet. Contact VTA 127.4 now, and let them know the altitude restriction.
Not above 4,000, we'll contact terminal with the altitude restriction. Thanks very much for your help, that was awesome.
Rick.
Edmonton Terminal, Cessna 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee on the mist out of the International, with the restriction from them not above 4,000.
Victor Alpha Yankee terminal identified, and you're just en route to Villeneuve again?
That's correct.
Okay, you can proceed on course, not above 4,500.
Not above 4,500 on course, Victor Alpha Yankee. On the way back from what was an absolutely amazing experience, the Edmonton River Valley really highlighted the trip. It can't go without mention, but a big shout out to the NAV Canada controllers working both Villeneuve, the Edmonton Terminal Airspace, and the Edmonton Tower for allowing me to have such an amazing experience. The trip home was fairly uneventful for a quick 20-minute flight. However, upon entering the Villeneuve control zone, I got vectored around for some traffic, which made it a little bit interesting.
Victor Alpha Yankee, contact Villeneuve Tower, 118.8.
Over to Villeneuve now, Victor Alpha Yankee, thanks for your help. Villeneuve Tower, Cessna 172, Golf Victor Alpha Yankee with Foxtrot.
Golf Victor Alpha Yankee, Tower 1826, cleared left base 1826, identified approaching Highway 16. Circuits or full stop?
We're cleared left base 26 and it'll be a full stop for Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee, Roger. Victor Alpha Yankee, fly heading 010.
010, Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee, fly heading 350.
350, Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee, left turn to final number 2, following the Cherokee inside you. You're 9 o'clock, mile and a half, 3,100, also on a full stop.
We're turning final now, we have the traffic, Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee Tower, the Cherokee on runway be off Dan, clear land runway 26.
Clear land 26, Victor Alpha Yankee.
Victor Alpha Yankee, keep it rolling to the end. Traffic on, final behind you, also on a full stop.
Roger, we'll keep rolling.